You need to rewire your brain, and I say this with absolute seriousness. Most people aren't where they want to be due to their poor mindset. Now, this isn't entirely your fault, but there is a lot of things that are in your control and that can help improve your chances of success, right? Like diet, environment, sleep, mindset, okay? The current state of your mind is probably negative. Most people are in a negative mindset. You procrastinate a lot, don't have clear thinking processes, like most people, right? But how you actually get in that 1% of who become successful is you manufacture everything around you, so all you can do is succeed, right? Think of optimizing each area of your life. I'm not talking being a biohacker and all that bullshit. You have to have a cold shower every morning and blah blah blah. I'm just saying get better sleep, exercise more, eat better, improve your environment, and level up your mindset from there. If you do these things consistently, success will come and it's just a matter of time. The goal here is consistency, right? Not these short bursts where you sprint and then gas out. You do the good thing for a couple of weeks and then you just go back to the same old you. Business is the hardest sport in the world and it's a marathon at the end of the day. All right. So here's a clear breakdown on what you should be doing. Good habits and environment translate to success. Now, in this module, we will explore strategies and techniques to help you overcome distractions, improve your focus, and maximize your productivity. By implementing these practices in your daily routine, you'll be able to accomplish more in less time and achieve your goals more effectively. Now, with section 1, okay, this is understanding productivity. Productivity refers to the ability to generate meaningful results efficiently. It's not about doing more tasks, but accomplishing important tasks that align with your goals. It's like the 80-20 rule, right? So keep that in mind. 20% of good things drive 80% of the results. Okay. How does this apply to us? Content, social proof, email list, and improving your service delivery to charge more dollars. Okay. Now, identifying these roadblocks that you might have. Take a moment to identify the factors that hinder your productivity. Maybe you're too distracted, right? These common things are just literally distractions, lack of clarity, procrastination, and poor time management. These are the most common. Maybe in your environment as well. So, create a productive environment. Organize your workspace, make your bed, clean your desk, get a cup of coffee, right? And remove unnecessary items that might distract you. This is the way I run my business right now. This is the setup I'm at currently. It's just during the day, and this is what I'm looking at. Okay, this is how it should be: clean, minimal, and no distractions. Okay, turn off notifications on your phone and computer during focused work sessions. Use website blockers or apps to limit access to social media and other distracting websites. Delete TikTok, delete Instagram. Like anything you don't need, just get rid of it. Okay. Optimize ergonomics. Ensure your chair, desk, and computer setup are ergonomically sound to reduce physical discomfort and distractions. Right? If you're spending all day at your desk or just tons of time at your desk, like get a good chair, get a comfortable chair, get a cushion, right? Whatever it is. Get a good mouse and keyboard. Make life easy for yourself. Get a good microphone, good lighting, etc. Okay? This will all be an ROI. Now, effective time management. Prioritize your tasks. Really important, right? Identify and prioritize tasks based on their urgency and importance. Use Notion or pen and paper. I'm the pen and paper guy. This is what I do, and I have an A4 piece of paper here. This is the way I run my business. Okay, I'm not so much Notion, even though I have it here, but this is more for recording videos, right? Task 1, tick it off. Task 2, tick it off, etc. And you'll feel very satisfied when you actually do tick these things off. Now, time blocking. Allocate specific time blocks for different activities, allowing focused work on important tasks. Consider using a Pomodoro technique, right? This is interesting. Working in focused bursts with short breaks to maintain productivity and prevent burnout. Okay, so you work for half an hour, take a 5-minute break. Half an hour, take a 5-minute break. You'll get like a lot done from this. Much better. Try it. Set realistic deadlines. Break down large tasks into smaller, manageable subtasks. Set deadlines for each subtask. So that makes life way much easier. You're ticking off task. You're like, whoa, I'm actually doing well, instead of one big massive task. Maximizing focus, right? So engage in mindfulness exercises or meditation. I think this can be fantastic if done correctly to improve your ability to stay present and focused, right? Mental health, good diet, exercise, and be around good people. All important. Like, genuinely, you have to get these things right if you want to succeed in business. Implement deep work sessions. Dedicate uninterrupted blocks of time to work on demanding and challenging tasks. Minimize distractions and create an environment to have that deep focus where you need to just get shit done. Okay? Now, optimize your energy levels. Pay attention to your energy patterns throughout the day. You'll realize, okay, when you're working for long days, maybe you're more productive in the morning, or maybe it's actually late at night. I've come across people on both ends of that spectrum, and you need to figure that out, right? So that's that. Procrastination is a massive issue, right? Explore the reasons behind that. It could be fear of failure, you being overwhelmed, or lack of interest, right? Stress endured from not taking action. This is a big issue, right? You will be stressed from not taking action. When you control what's controllable, you are no longer stressed. You know you've everything you can do done, right? You cannot stress. Take it piece by piece, tackle it, and that's it. Okay, so this is rewiring your brain. It's super important to get this right. If you do have interest in the working with me, check down below, check the description, check the comments, and we can look at working together there if it suits, right? So we're doing at the moment we have a guarantee where you get a full refund. If you don't get 3 to 10 clients in 180 days, you get a full refund. So click the link down here and let's work together and speak.